The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live stand out with their distinctive bean-shaped design, delivering comfort that nestles softly in your ears. Designed for convenience, they offer seamless intuitive touch controls, allowing you easy access to your favorite functions with just a tap. Imagine being on a busy street, yet enveloped in your music without the chaos around you. That's the magic of the high-quality noise-canceling technology. Focus on what matters most, whether it's your playlist, podcast, or the ambient sounds of your choosing. No concerns about battery life, as these earbuds promise long hours of music and talk time. And when they eventually need a recharge, the wireless charging feature ensures you're back to full power swiftly and effortlessly. Suitable for all-day use, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are perfect for those who crave immersive sound on the go. Experience freedom with design and technology that align to keep you connected in every way, all day long. Enhance your audio journey and embrace the cutting-edge features crafted for a seamless blend of style and performance.